what's up, what's happening, what's popping? So today I'll be showing y'all how I do a quick and easy sleek bun without using any gel or edge control. So you want to start out with super wet hair. My hair is actually freshly washed, but it did dry up a lot when I got out the shower and I was setting up. So I am wetting my hair with a spray bottle, and then you want to go in with a leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Miche leave-in conditioner. Y'all, this smells so good. So good. But you want to use a leave-in conditioner and just work it all throughout your hair. Okay, so once I'm done working the leave-in conditioner throughout my hair, then I will use a brush to brush my hair back into a ponytail. Okay, y'all, and so I'll be adding the hydrating and twisting butter to add more moisture to my hair. I absolutely love how thick and creamy this product is. It smells super good, like the whole line smells good, especially the freaking deep conditioner. But I'll just be distributing this product throughout my hair and then brushing my hair back to make it super sleek. Okay, and once I put my hair into a bun, then I will just go ahead and take more leave-in conditioner and put it on my edges. As you can see, as I was pointing out, they are poofy. So I went ahead and added more leave-in conditioner and brushed it back just to make sure that it was super sleek. And then once I made sure that it was sleek, then I went ahead and put my headscarf on just to make sure it laid down flat while it dried. Okay, y'all, so it has been about 30 minutes and my hair is completely dry. That's the only good thing about low porosity hair, is that when you need your hair to be dry, it will be dry. But my hair is fully dry and it is looking really good. This is a great alternative to use if you don't like using gel or edge control, or if you run out of gel or edge control. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon.